Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share a TikTok video without it being posted as a story. But before I start with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, I can offer it for you 3 days for free, and then you only pay $1 your first month. So open up your TikTok app, and once you have opened up your TikTok tab, you want to click on the plus icon. Now it's pretty important that it's not on photo, because if I were to hold on photo or take a picture, I can only post this to my story, or that's it. I can just post to my story. But it's important to go to the 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 10 minutes, whatever, start recording something, click on the red check mark, and of course you can choose to post your story or to video, but let's click on next. And if I were to post it, it's going to post it as a video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want to get the Shopify offer, click the link in the description.